Before we get into the details of how to interpret these signs and symbols, let's look at the materials you're going to need to go further. First of all, what I have here is just basic, first, paper to take notes, as well as to print, make handprints. It's much easier to read the hand from a print than it actually is from the hand itself. What you'll need to make prints is water-soluble block printing ink. I one time bought oil-based block printing ink, and it does not work. It's not easy to get off, so make sure you get the water-soluble that comes off with soap and water. And you'll also need a block printing brayer to roll the ink onto the hand, and a pen to outline the hand as well as take notes here today. Some people also use a magnifying glass to get the details of the lines. I don't find this necessary, but if you have one, you might have fun with that. Also, when we're making the print of the hand, we're pressing down, and it's sometimes difficult to get the hollow of the hand. It helps to have some kind of padding under your paper. I use a piece of high-density foam, camping foam, that you would put under your sleeping bag. That's one thing that you can use. Or you can simply use some newspaper, fold it up, and just put the paper right on top of that. This will give you that extra little padding you need. Now, I've invited a friend of mine over, Sarah Leah, and we're going to get on to actually doing the prints, doing the reading, and getting into the details of palmistry. Come in! Sarah Leah?
Hi, Beth.
Hi, thanks for coming.
It's great to be here.
Yeah, have a seat. So, are you excited about coming?
I sure am. What are we going to do?
Well, first what we're going to do is make some prints of your hands. And you can roll out the paper, by the way. You can roll out the ink on a regular sheet of paper. So I'm just going to demonstrate that. And then we'll make prints of your hands. You don't need a lot of ink, by the way, just a little smidgen. The main thing is that when you're rolling it out, you want it to be rolled out nice and even. And it gets a little bit of a texture to it. This just takes practice. Have you ever had your hands printed before? I'm trying to remember. Is this printed in red? This is a first, isn't it? Good. Okay, so you can see how it has this nice kind of glossy. And what we're going to do is roll it out onto your hand, like this. And when you do the rolling, you kind of want to do it very quickly coming down and getting the center in, nice and even. And just relax your hand, actually. It's better when it's a little relaxed. That's better. Good. And now, just put your hand flat on here. Good. And I'll do the pressing. Okay. And notice, as I'm pressing, I'm trying to press nice and evenly. Each finger and the thumb, and I'm rolling it a little bit to get the fingerprint pattern. Now, do you feel the center touching? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Now, before you lift your hand up, what I'm going to do is outline your hand, and then once again outlining. Okay, great. Okay, just lift your hand straight up. Good. See that? And now we can see all of the lines. See how much easier it is to read the lines here. And now you can wash your hands off.
This is going to come off.
Yeah, it will come off, soap and water.